The first thing about a pair of scissors that a lot of people don't consider is how much care goes into getting the shape right of the inside of the blades. There are three crucial shapes. There's the curve, the hollow and the twist. And this is to ensure that the only points ever touching on a pair of scissors is the cutting edge. What we're aiming for with a good pair of scissors is that you have even pressure going down the entire cut. If we put too much curve into the end or at the pinch of the scissor, which is the beginning, we'll have to adjust that with small cutting anvils. Once upon a time, Sheffield employed hundreds of thousands of people in steel and cutlery, and now we're down to a few thousand. And to be part of a team keeping cutlery alive in Sheffield, it's just incredible.
Perfect pair of scissors. What I look for is the feeling it gives me when I open and close a perfect pair of scissors, and the sound it makes, and that little, like, I can't quite describe it, it's like the feeling of the metal just glides across each other. Because you're talking about a very, very hard piece of metal here that will bite into each other and make it start feeling wrong. When it just glides correctly against each other, you can't recreate that feeling with a knife and like that. It just feels correct. It just works, and that's why. And that's what I look for in every pair. Like when I open and close it, it gives me that feeling like that is a pair that will cut and it will last forever. It will do.